All right, so Regina Daniels' family and Senator Ned Nwoko have started season 2 of their drama. And this time, it is very, very, very deep. Because when I read what Regina Daniels posted on her Instagram story, there were a lot of deep underlining messages that a lot of you did not notice. You know, say on our own, to just carry cruise, rush, go the chat. There's a lot of things that people need to learn from all of this, right? What Regina Daniels posted is very, very, very deep. Now, I saw it yesterday. I said, make all these ones carry their own go. Until I saw the video that Regina Daniels' mother posted. I said, you know what? I got to talk about these things, you know. Now, before I talk about them, Tunde Not post yesterday in like 9 hours. See the amount of comments we get. See the amount of share. The engagement was crazy. I never see any content creator, any influencer make video. Say, Regina Daniels, why didn't you wait? You are trying to distract us from Donald Trump and Tinubu matter. You are trying to distract us from the fact